Want to make your online business float above competitors? Meet Google Antigravity. Google Antigravity lifts visibility by prioritizing relevance, speed, and trust signals. Expect faster rankings, smarter audience reach, and higher conversion potential. Step 1. Link your site and verify ownership in Google Antigravity. Step 2. Configure intent-driven keywords and map them to landing pages. Use simple scribble diagrams to map customer journeys and priority tasks. Optimize for page experience, speed, mobile, and clear calls to action. Leverage Antigravity's signal builder, structured data, and authoritative citations. Track lifts with Antigravity analytics. Monitor impressions, clicks, and conversion lift. Test headlines and offers, then iterate weekly to compound gains. Scale by expanding intent clusters, automating bidding, and replicating winners. Start today. Audit one page, apply Antigravity, measure results, and repeat.